In this video, I'll show you how to fix Pokémon Champions if it's not downloading on your Android device. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the download starts working. You should also make sure you have enough available storage on your device. If your storage is nearly full, delete unnecessary files or apps and then try downloading the game again. If the issue continues, clear the Google Play Store cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Google Play Store, tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. After that, start your phone and try downloading the game again. You can also check whether the game is available in your region and compatible with your device. If the game hasn't launched in your country yet, or your device doesn't meet the requirements, download may not be available. If nothing works, open the Play Store, search for Google Play Services, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. And that's how you can fix Pokémon Champions, not downloading on your Android phone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications